Hi guys, the next step in making this acoustic guitar will be the closing of the body. So we are going to glue the top plate and the back plate onto the sides. There are two things that must be done before that. One of the things is set both sides as straight as possible. So this should be totally straight. It's the top side. The back side has the curve, and it has a curve like this. But I can't do that at home, so we are going with starting with the other step, and that's taking some pieces out of the curving where the braces will fit. So as you remember, those braces will fit inside the curving, so we are going to mark the braces onto the sides and get little pieces out of the curving. We do this for the top plate and also for the braces on the back plate. So I glued the back plate and I glued the top plate on the sides of the guitar. So now we need to trim the edges of the top plate and the back plate like I did over here. See, this isn't right, the back plate sticks out. We need to do that so we can remove a piece for the binding and the purfling. So we need to do that on the back plate and the top plate. Normally afterwards you can finish your neck and place your neck on the guitar body. But since we are going to make a beveled cutaway, we need to finish the neck first and then place the beveled cutaway. So we are going to remove a beveled cutaway. So we're going to remove a piece over here and over there. But we need this exactly where the neck will meet the body. In fact, there are two ways to do it. The first one is to measure everything exactly, make the bindings, the purfling and the beveled cutaway. Afterwards, when finishing the neck, you adjust the neck so this point will be exact the side of the neck. The other way is first finish the neck, place the neck on the body and see where this point will be, and it should be the exact side of the neck. So we installed the bindings and the purfling. After we installed it, we set it at the same level of the top plate, the sides and the back. After installing it, they stick out a bit, so you need to level it. And the next step is to calculate this angle and transfer it to the heel block of the neck. It's very important that this place and this place are totally straight. So when the heel block will touch the body, there is no space between the body and the heel block. But that's for the next video.